Let's have the step-by-step process. Using statistical application, of course, we will still use JASP. Okay, so click the main menu and then open. Okay, recent file. So Pearson's correlation data. So we have here the same data, the height and the jump distance. So in order for us to perform Pearson's correlation, so click regression, correlation in the classical, and then, okay, click this, highlight this height and distance, put this in the variables box. So automatically, it will reveal the Pearson's R and the P value. So we will review first the scatter plot. Okay, basically, okay, linear relationship is achieved. Also, there's no significant outlier. Also, in the assumption check, let's consider Shapiro. So it's greater than 5%, meaning normal. The data is normal. So basically, okay, the appropriate statistical tool to be used is really Pearson's R or Pearson's correlation. So let's see with the expected table. So for the table, we have the outcome or the dependent variable, the long jump performance, predictor, the independent variable, which is the height, and then R, this is the correlation coefficient, 0.706. So let's check. 0.706, correct? Okay, and then the p-value, the p or the sig, 0.005. Let's check. 0.005, meaning correct also. Okay, and then our description here will be based on the value of R. So we have a legend here from very high correlation. This is the interval, high correlation, interval, moderate correlation, the interval, low correlation, the interval, and negligible correlation. This is the interval. If it happens that the value of R is equal to 0, meaning no correlation, positive 1, positive perfect correlation, negative 1, negative perfect correlation. And we also, okay, we can also see in our value of R that the sign is positive. And based on the value, so it is under high correlation. And for the interpretation, it is based on the p-value. Okay, since the p-value is less than 5% or less than 0.05, meaning it is significant. And our decision is based on the interpretation. Since the interpretation is significant, we have to reject the null hypothesis stating that there is no significant relationship between height and long jump performance.